Why many investors do not hit success in their investing activities? What goes wrong? What prevents them from hitting success? I will call them the enemies of investors. Where are these people? These enemies are within their mind. Because of these enemies, they will not hit success in their investing activity. In this episode, I am going to talk to you about four such habits of investors which prevent them from reaching success in the investing activity. This is NRI Money Clinic for you, and I am Dr. Chandrakant Bhatt, investment consultant and a financial planner.
NRI Money Clinic. No hype, just the right advice.
Many investors do not hit success in their investing activity. What goes wrong? Is it the factors which are external to them are responsible for this, or is it the factors internal to them which are responsible for this? A careful analysis clearly shows it is not the choice of product, it is not choice of an agent or a distributor, it is not the choice of an asset, it is not the choice of an institution which goes against them. The main reason why investors fail in their investing activity are due to the habits that they have inculcated in their life. If they are able to overcome these habits, I don't think the external forces are so difficult to conquer. It is the internal habits which will stand between success and a failure. Let's look one by one what are these habits which will not help investors hit success. The major reason why investors fail is because of their indiscipline. Indiscipline is an enemy of investors. To succeed in any line, any activity, any exercise, any project, you need discipline. If there is no discipline, you will not succeed in anything. And the same case in your investing activity as well. Investing activity calls for a real good discipline. You have to be disciplined with your habits. How much you earn, how much you should spend, how much you should save. You should develop a discipline around that. Only when you have this discipline to invest the money, you will have the required resources. Otherwise, you join particular scheme because of your indisciplined habits of spending, you may not have enough money to pay for that particular plan. So obviously, because you are not contributing to the plan, then you are bound to be a failure. Indiscipline can come from many other ways also. For example, you will have the money and you forget to pay for the plan. Then you pay for interest for that. So this will also go against this. And there are investors who get into self-doubt in between. There are some people who start with mutual fund industry. They will start a mutual fund portfolio. A couple of months, couple of years will pass by and nothing happens in the portfolio. Suddenly they start getting self-doubt and they stop this. This kind of an indiscipline will not help you to hit success. See, when you are investing in some of the asset classes like stock market, mutual fund portfolios, it calls for long periods of time. It checks your patience, but you have to be disciplined. If you are not disciplined and if you change the track in between, then it may not help in your favor. The second enemy of investors is analysis paralysis. A lot of people will suffer from this. You talk to them, you explain to them, you give them proposals, and they want to analyze. They analyze and they analyze and they analyze and they never come to a decision. This results in analysis paralysis. What do they want to analyze? They want to analyze whether this is the right thing to do or not. This is the best thing to do or not. I'll tell you an example of one of the persons who approached me a few years before. We talked about financial planning. We went through a fact find session. We gave a proposal. Finally, the gentleman came with a doubt. Should I invest in the stocks or should I invest in the mutual fund? I'm just thinking about it. Let me do my analysis and I'll come back. I followed with him for a couple of months. Then he said, I'm still analyzing, should I invest in stocks or should I invest in mutual funds? Should I start my insurance plan first or should I start my retirement plan first? This is a story which has happened several years before. Just a few weeks back, I received a call from this gentleman and he said, Dr. But can we have another meeting? I said, what? I just have to reanalyze the whole thing again. I haven't done anything in the last 6 years. This is not the story of one person who came to me. There are so many people out there who suffer from this particular thing. They want the best and they don't know which is the best. They want to get into the right asset class. They want to get into the right amount. They want the best interest class. And in the process, they don't decide on anything. The right thing what you have to do is get into certain activities and decide faster. You should work with a timeline. Don't keep on over analyzing. See, in the process of analyzing, you lose time. You lose opportunities. If you are a person who want to over analyze, my suggestion to you is work with a timeline within which whatever the decision you get into, you implement the decision and move forward. Don't get stuck because of this paralytic attitude. The next habit which goes against the investors is a habit called chasing the returns. Chasing the returns is a definitely losing game. There is no doubt about it. What is this habit of chasing the return? Chasing returns is investing in something which has given excellent results in the past. Now, if a fund has given 30% return in the last 6 months, and there are other funds which are available at 20% return, 15% return, or 10% return, they want to buy only that fund which has given 30% return. The same case with every asset class. If gold is doing very well, they will only buy into gold. If equity is doing well, they will buy only into equity. They will never go for fixed income. To be successful, what is required is a proper asset allocation. You should invest in all asset classes. Likewise, there is a theory called reversion to mean, which means to say if some fund has given you a high return, the next beyond that particular point, that fund may not give you so much return. Instead, the rest of the funds which are lagging behind will do a catching up game. So, to be very successful, what is required is one is proper asset allocation. Second thing, you should choose something which is yet to catch the fancy of the investors. Anything which is in fashion, anything which has already declared its results by way of good returns, going forward will not give you the same rate of return. So, if you are a person with a mindset that you have to chase the return, you have to control this instinct, rather invest in all asset classes and choose something which is not in fashion, give it sufficient time for it to catch the fancy of the investors, you are definitely are going to make good money out of this particular habit. So, stop being a person who has this chasing of return mindset. The fourth point is an attitude refusing to change. The investor get fixated to an idea. Investors get fixated to an institution. Investors will get fixated to something else. They focus so much on that. I will help you with a small example. Now in India, we had for 50 long years only Life Insurance Corporation of India, LIC was there. When private players came and they changed the landscape, lot of investors refused to look beyond LIC because they were fixated. They thought LIC is safe, private players are going to fail in their activities. But what happened? The private players changed the landscape. Likewise, look at what happened in the banking space. ICICI was one time a government company and it got privatized and it became ICICI Bank. It changed the complete landscape of banking in India. But people in the initial years refused to look at the private players. But look at what happened in the banking industry today. The banking industry today, even though the public sector banks are by volume of business are still high, but popularity wise, the private banks have become very, very popular. Likewise, the investors many a times get stuck with the dogmas. Okay, I should do only this. See, there was a time you had these money back policies or endowment plans of LIC. You didn't have anything else. So people refused to see things beyond that particular thing. They thought only the money back policies and endowment plans will work. Then came the mutual funds. Then came the ULIPs. If there is something which is constant in life, it is the change. You should have a flexible approach to change and see what is changing and how it is beneficial to you. If you get stuck with some particular idea and refuse to change, it is you who stand to lose out of this particular attitude. So go with a flexible mind, keep looking out for what changes are coming, analyze if it is favorable for you, please accept it with a wholeheartedness. That makes you successful in your investing activity. Dear viewers, I would like to hear from you about the habits of investors which can go against them. What do you think about the other habits of the investors that I have not discussed here which could go against those people hitting success? Please comment below. Dear investors, if you think you need the help of a financial planner to help you get success in your investing activity, you can make use of my services. I have shown my contact number here on the screen. You can reach out to me through a WhatsApp message from any part of the world. About my business model, I had done a video recently. I'll be giving a link for this particular video here in the section. You can check out on this video and know how I operate. Feel free to contact me from any part of the world anytime. Dear viewers, if I have added value to you through this video, please like this video. If you are watching this program for the first time, or if you are yet to subscribe for this channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and relatives. Thank you very much for watching this episode on NRI Money Clinic. I will be back with you very soon.
Press the bell icon for more details and subscribe our channel.